Hi, I'm Laura with DWC. This is a demonstration of half front wrap cross carry in a woven wrap with a ring finish. Start off center with a short tail hanging over the front of your shoulder and the long tail hanging over the back. Take the long tail around your back under your arm and back to your front. Bring the long tail around your front and back under your other arm. Cross the tail over your shoulder. Allow it to hang in the front. You will have one short tail and one long tail hanging. Untuck the short tail if needed. Grab your baby and place in front pass. Create seat by spreading fabric from knee pit to knee pit. Pull fabric up on baby's back, up to armpit for babies with good head and trunk control, and up to neck for newborn. Tighten by doing strand by strand tightening. Pushing up on baby's bottom while pulling tails helps you pull more slack out of your wrap job. Pin short tail between legs, under chin, in teeth, or hold with hand to keep the tension. Take the long tail and create a pass over baby's back. Gather and place pass under baby's leg. Pull more slack out if needed. This is the tricky part. Take the bottom tail and thread it into your ring. Take the top tail coming from over your shoulder and cross it perpendicular to the bottom tail from the inside to the out. Tuck the bottom tail back over the cross top tail and back through the ring. Pull to tighten up. This will act as a slip knot. Readjust wrap job and tighten where needed. Be sure to feed the slack all the way around to the ring and pull through the corresponding tail. You can do a shoulder flip here if you want. I used my arm here to help push up on baby while tightening, which helps to pull more slack out. That's a half front wrap cross carry with a ring finish. Now to take it down, unthread the ring. Be sure to hold both tails and baby as you unthread. Undo leg pass and loosen wrap job. Pull baby out. And you're done.